We're going to look at what problems that require us to use the trig functions. Let's take a look at the trig functions and then we'll use the information to solve word problems. So the trig functions, we have the sine. The sine of an angle is the opposite side divided by the hypotenuse. Cosine is the adjacent side to the angle divided by the hypotenuse. And then the tangent is the opposite side divided by the adjacent side. And that's also known as SOHCAHTOA. And we're going to go ahead and look at some examples. From the figure below, express sine x as a fraction. So sine x is because we have sine is the opposite side to the angle divided by the hypotenuse. So sine x is going to be opposite side is 15 divided by the hypotenuse. Let's call that small letter b. So the first thing we're going to do is find the value of b. So according to Pythagorean theorem, b squared is equal to 20 squared plus 15 squared, which is 400 plus 225. That's going to give us 625. So b squared is 625, so we need to find the square root of both sides. So b is 25. So now sine x is going to be equal to 15 centimeters divided by 25 centimeters. This should give us 0.6 or 3/5. Now we're going to express tan x as a fraction. So we have TOA. So I guess we can use theta. We can replace this with x. Okay, so tan x is equal to opposite side, which is 9 feet over 40 feet. So tan x is 9/40. So we're told here a ladder 10 feet long leaning against a vertical wall makes an angle of 60 degrees with the ground. What's the height of the vertical wall? So we're going to take a look at a diagram that represents this word problem. So we have a ladder that leans against a vertical wall. So this is our vertical wall. So the ladder leans against it, and the ladder has a length of 10 feet. And it makes an angle of 60 degrees with the ground, and we're looking for the height of the wall. So next thing we're going to do is look at which of our trigonometric functions will be the best to get the value of h. So we have opposite side to the angle and we have the hypotenuse. So we have which is sine of 60 degrees is the opposite side to the angle, which is h over 10. So h is going to be 10 multiplied by sine of 60 degrees. Sine of 60 degrees is square root of 3/2. So your height is 5 square root of 3 feet. And if you want to simplify it further, if you put that on a calculator, you should get 5 times 1.732, which is about 8.66 feet.